Hello friends, this is Vinith. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techies Hub. So today's tutorial is all about how we can encrypt and decrypt the passwords that we have in the config file. So I have two methods. One is to encrypt the data and other is to decrypt the data. So there are many cases where when you connect to the database, you have to give the password in some config file and all those things. So I will be just explaining you how you can encrypt the data and all those things. So for that I have created some methods and this is the config file I have. So this is the password that I have just for this testing purpose, and these are the keys that we will be using to encrypt and decrypt the passwords. So this is the encrypt method. So actually you can see this all codes are to get the password from the config file. Okay, then I am just encrypting the password. So this is the encrypt method. So actually what I will be doing is I will be just getting the password and all those things, and then I am just using a UTF-8 encoding dot UTF-8 dot get bytes of password. So triple D is a crypto service provider. I'm creating an object. Okay, then actually I'm using key mode, padding and everything, and then finally I am converting it into a actually an encrypted key. So actually this is the piece of code that I use to just encrypt the key. Okay. Okay, so once that is done, I will be just saving it to the config file. So that's how I do it. So this is the key that I'm using, but if you want, you can have the key in the test config file and you can just make use of it. So that's up to the user how they want it. So this is the method for, so for that actually, just let me see. So in the reference, it's fine. I think it's already added. Okay, so we have to add this line of code using security.cryptography. So that's how we are encrypting the password. So this is the method to encrypt the password. So you can see now the password is not encrypted. So I will just run the encrypt test case. So now, okay, you can see that it is encrypted. So now we don't know what this is actually. So we have another method to decrypt also. So we are using the same concept. So, but before that, let me show you the output. Okay, so this was a password and it got encrypted to this one. Okay, so in the decrypt, we are actually taking the value from the config and then we are running the decrypt method. So in the decrypt, we are actually doing the reverse of thing. So we are still using the same key because the key is the important thing. We have to use the same key for encrypt and decrypt. And then actually we are using the same codes. So actually you can see here we are using create encryptor and here we are using that create decryptor. So that's something which will turn back our encrypted details to uh, uh, the decrypt it, and you will get the real password, and finally we are having it saved, and then we have to refresh it. Okay, then only the changes will be displayed. So actually that's the same. Actually, if most of the things are same, then also there are some changes. So you can just go through the method. I am keeping it there for around 10 to 15 seconds so that you can go through it. So once that is done, so I will just run the decrypt method. Okay, so that's the same here. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so we got the password back. So if you click on the decrypt, you can see it was the encrypted and then it is decrypted to the original password. So actually this is one of a good method that we can use. So the where you want to use it, that's up to the user. So actually this is how you can encrypt and decrypt the password that you have for a database and all those things. So thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.